Firearms are not toys. They are not decorations. They are not something you just leave lying around, especially when there are children in the house. But once again, carelessness has turned a weapon into a tragedy. A father, a hunter, he kept a gun at home. His 16-year-old son, he was known to play with it. No one stopped him. It had become a normal routine. Until the day it was not. That boy picked up the gun like he always did. Only this time, he fired it, and the bullet hit his younger sister. She died. Just like that, a young girl gone, a family shattered, and a boy left to live with the unbearable weight of what he's done. Watch the father try to explain what can never be undone, and watch the son break down, trembling, whispering, "I did not mean to. I did not know it was loaded."
I am SP Dafebright. This is Delta State Police Command. When we are bringing some of this information to you, we are not bringing it to slight anybody. We are not even bringing it to expose anybody, any region or religion. The reason why we are doing it is for people to watch, listen, and learn. Because there's an adage that says, the wise learns from the mistake of others. Today, we have two suspects, and it's a very pathetic story. You see this long-range, single-barrel gun belongs to the father of one of the suspects. The father himself is our suspect because his carelessness led to the reason why we are here today. The son, according to him, said he has always been playing with this gun. I don't know where a child will be playing with a gun. On one fateful day, he was playing with this gun. The gun triggered and killed his own sister and daughter of the owner of this gun. You can say I'm sounding a bit sad because indeed it is a very sad story. But no matter how sad it is good you know so that it can be prevented in the future. Papa, what's your name?
Christian Okafu.
Christian Okafu. How old are you, sir?
50 years now.
50 years. This your son wey dey near you, wetin be your name?
Ifeanyi Okafu.
Ifeanyi. Okay, Papa, you are from where?
I'm from Alisimo.
Which local government?
Cal South.
Cal South. How many children you get?
I get 8 children.
How many wife you get?
Well, the other one have already gone. That is my first one, but I can't tell you now.
The mother of this
that
boy,
is one day. Yeah.
The mother of this boy, how many children she born for you?
6.
6, okay. Who get this gun?
Now my father is gone.
Your father gone. What do you use the gun they do?
Now hunt at the reason they go.
The reason they hunt. So where you they keep this gun for your house?
One thing is that I dey keep am for my where I dey stay, my place where my room where I dey stay.
Okay.
That's where I dey keep am.
Okay. Are you aware before now? Say your pikin they use this gun they play.
I don't know.
You don't know say the law say I don't know no be excuse. Okay. So what you call happen on that fateful day?
That day, come back from farm, then there one church where I dey attend because of the situation.
And the church you there when you hear what happen, so you not there where you happen.
I know they
okay, just say okay. What is your name?
Ifeanyi Okafu.
Ifeanyi Okafu, how old are you?
16.
16. That your sister wey don die now. How old is she?
10.
10. 10 years.
8 years now.
Okay, your person are 8 years. Okay, so let's take her age to be 8 years. So wetin happen with this gun? You say how long you don dey play with this gun before now? Because you say you use am dey play. How long you don dey use am play?
For 2 days if my daddy comot.
Okay, every time when your daddy know that you dey use the gun dey play, your daddy know say you dey use am dey play.
No.
So when you dey use am dey play, wetin you dey hope to achieve?
Nothing.
Wetin you say you dey use gun do? Gun, wetin gun dey do person? Wetin you dey use gun do?
In dey keep person.
Oh, you know say dey keep person. You are 16 years ba? So, okay, I'm glad that you know say gun dey keep person. So on that fateful day, how you do am wey dey take come kill your sister?
As I dey inside, dey play with the gun. I no know say my sister from corridor dey pass. Na the gun come shoot, come touch am.
Okay. Where's your sister now?
He don
Eh?
he
Talk
don
now,
die.
talk. Where's your sister now?
He don die.
You see her again. When you dey use this gun dey play, but you know say gun dey kill person. Is it the first time wey the gun dey shoot as you dey use am play, abi you don first shoot before you no kill anybody?
No, he never shoot before.
Okay. So how do you feel now?
Feel sad.
You feel sad? It is well. Well, I always say the law have no space for emotions or sentiments. It's a very sad one. We are here already, and investigation has to be carried out, and justice must be served. Thank you.
The law is an ass. It does not accommodate emotions or rational thinking. It does not care about heartbreak. It only sees guilt and punishment. Now, instead of laughter, there is silence. Instead of a daughter, there is a grave. And instead of a big brother, there is a broken child who will never be the same. Let the story be a warning. If you own a gun, lock it up. Don't assume, don't delay, don't wait until it's too late. Because one careless choice can take away a life you can never get back. Public transport might be cheap and fast, but it's also where the unexpected happens. From strange coughs to sudden distractions, passengers are being targeted in ways that seem harmless until it's too late. If you board tricycles or buses regularly, there is one thing you must do. Hold your phone tight. That man coughing beside you in a tricycle, don't ask questions, don't act smart. Just hold your phone tight, because lately, not everything is as it seems. Across town, some passengers are learning the hard way that one cough could be a distraction, and the next thing, their phone is gone. And when security officers stop your tricycle or bus for a routine check, please don't fight. That stop and search you're complaining about might be the very thing saving you from becoming the next victim. So what's really going on? Stay with us. You want to watch this.
I am SP Dafe Bright, and this is Delta State Police Command. We always reiterate the importance of stop and search. For those that are following us carefully, you will realize that 80% of most of our achievements we will achieve and get them through stop and search proactive system of policing. Today we have two suspects who are serial phone snatchers. These people, they can take your phone as easy as you can ever imagine. They can even remove needle from your bag without you knowing. The only trick to survive them is by holding your phone in your hands, and that is why it is called hand set, not bag set, not pocket set. We'll be interviewing one of the victims who have come to collect her phone. We'll also interview the suspect. During stop and search, they were searched along the Summit Road, and one of them, the policemen recovered 7 phones. It aroused their suspicion, and they say, we are on these phones. They on the phone. We are enter the password, they could not access the password. Hence, they were brought to the office. Before they could even get to the office, the owners of these phones have already started calling. Most of them have come and they have recovered and they have claimed their phones. They have all gone. But we have one who is generous enough to tell us how these people collected our phone. You don't need to tell me your name, okay? Where this thing for happen?
Along the Zinere Junction.
Is
By
it
GT Bank.
okay, by GT Bank there?
Yes.
How that when you don't notice that your phone not there with you again?
When I come down inside Keke.
when you just come down.
Yes.
But while you were in the keke, you don't notice anything.
The other man is coughing.
Oh, one of them dey cough.
Yes.
The person wey dey cough dey
He
here.
acting like imbecile.
Okay.
The other one.
Okay.
So he acting like him like coughing. I be telling him to stop. The other one say I should leave him. Say the cough is disturbing him. I say okay. So maybe he did not succeed for that one. No. As they are moving, so he started again. He just started and keke is moving, just coughing. That's I say keke, stop. I want to calm down. He said whether you want to come. I say yes. So I shall just calm down. Let me bring my phone inside my bag. You don't see my phone and the keke.
Don't go already.
Yes.
Okay, so now what do you know? That make I ask you, what did you notice? So by the time you saw that your phone was no longer missing, you remember say they were coughing that time.
Yes.
You suspected that time when they cough, they collect am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how you got to know say we don't recover your phone?
It's police officer that picked the call.
Okay, you were calling the phone, police come pick am.
Yes.
Say when you come make contact.
Yes, sir.
Now when they don't help you see the phone, so if you see the police stop, if you dey keke police stop people they search them, you will understand why they search
Yes,
them
sir.
now.
It's good.
It's good.
Yes.
I better repeat am make dem hear.
It's good to search.
But that one sweet me. Yes, I'm glad that you have noticed that it is good. You are the chairman now. Chairman, what will be your name?
My name is Oliver Sadebe.
Open your mouth when you talk.
Oliver Sadebe.
Oliver
Sadebe.
Okay, how long have you been doing this business of snatching phones?
I've been doing it before I went to South Africa.
When you take go South Africa?
2021.
When you take come back?
2023.
2023. Okay, so as you come back, you started again.
As I come back, I have an accident on 20 November.
And that's where you get accident. As you come back, you start the business again.
Yes, but it's not from that.
How did they recover these phones from una hand?
It's police stopped the keke man.
Okay.
They searched me. He didn't say anything. They searched.
They come search the keke man.
Yes.
Now they come say how many phones?
7 phones.
7 phones. Okay. So when police don't recover the phones now, so you don't understand. Say when police they don't be play, they play. Now work they work.
That's so now.
Now so now, correct. Okay, when you start this work? That day, and I admit you. Congratulations. It's good now. At least your sin not too many. Na just small sin you don't see before they catch you. Unlike your master whether they do it for the past 5 years. So that is it. Like I've always said, if you see police performing stop and search, if you see that they open bag, they search the bag, they know what they are doing. They are not looking for trouble. They are not making life difficult for anybody. It's because of reports like this. 7 phones. 5 of those phones have been released to their owners. 1 of them belongs to the lady we just interviewed now. So thank you for always looking up to what we are going to present to you, what we are showing you, so that you see, watch, understand, and learn. Thank you, and God bless you.
In this part of the world, family is not just family. It's foundation. We grow up calling our cousins sister and brother. We treat our uncles like second fathers. They are the ones who defend us in family meetings, the ones we run to when we are scared, and the ones we trust without question. But what happens when that trust is shattered by the very people who are supposed to protect us? In Bayelsa State, a deeply disturbing case has left a community in shock. A 14-year-old girl, just a child, was asked to go and collect something from her uncle. A routine errand, the kind of thing a child would not think twice about. But behind that visit was a nightmare no child should ever experience. Her uncle, the man she likely grew up respecting, allegedly took advantage of her in the worst possible way. A man she trusted, a man her family trusted. And now, that trust is gone, replaced by trauma, pain, and 1,000 unanswered questions. The police have arrested the suspect. He is in custody. But for the girl and her family, the emotional damage runs far deeper than any cell bars can fix. Viewer discretion is advised.
this. Hello, my people. It's happening right now at Swale Market. This man, they're sending sister Pikin to come collect something for your hand. For both, he forced the girl. Forced the girl for Swale Market. For inside local port, it happen right now. Beg, man, I can't help. No, I don't video the girl. Now him I go video. And I don't go spoil the girl reputation. Now him I go video. When police come, I go allow them to collect the girl picture. But for him I go video them live boat. Now he be the manager. It happen like this for Swale Market. Man, I call police to come carry this man for you. This man is evil. His sister picking when they send to come collect snail for Swale Market for your hand for boat. He forcefully I miss the for road. Man, I can't help. This wicked man, uncle, very wicked and selfish man. Wicked man. You go see or you never see anything. You then do am to other people, but you don't jam your own, but you go reach your plot. God punish you. Video that now you don't lie for Facebook. Stupid idiot. God punish you. His sister picking when they send you won't collect snails for your hand. His sister picking won't collect snails for your hand. Yes. You get the last time in bed, you know, if you want to get make the girl inside boat.
My own sister is in the talk. When the mother never reached there.
The one that they never carry the one that comes. Biggest stupid man. In the talk, they tell me. People don't begin to comment already. See the man. No, I need a video of the man. I don't get anything to. Now this man, when they send his sister Pikin to go collect snail for him for boat for water side, he get.
What did you discuss with her?
I discussed with her to say, "Baby, I like you."
Okay, as you tell her say you like her, what did she touch you? What did she tell you?
She tell me leave her first now.
Wait now, wait. Say wait.
She told me to say, "Uncle, me have a person and they want somebody."
Okay.
Okay, she told you that she's a virgin. Okay, that she don't want somebody to touch her. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
finally you said some.
And so we ask, when family stops meaning safety, who do our children turn to? When danger wears the face of someone they love, who will listen? Who will protect them? This is not just one case. It's a warning, because if we keep sweeping these stories under the rug in the name of family, then we are telling our children to suffer in silence. And silence, as we have now seen, is where the worst things grow.
Peaceful citizen. When you notice that there is something in you, a tendency that is towards committing crime, doing something that is negative, please work on yourself. You can defeat that anger, you can defeat that tendency to do something wrong. Better work on yourself before you do something that is going to get you into trouble with the law. Keep watching Crime Fighters, the police and you.